What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to open an Amazon account without a phone number. In order to do this, you want to make sure that you have the Amazon app on your device, as you can see right here, and open it. And then once you open the app, at the bottom you want to tap on the second icon that looks like a profile icon. Tap on it. It's going to take you to this page. You have two options. You can sign in or click on create account. That's exactly what we want to do, so we're going to tap on create account. Now on this page, in order to create your account, you'll need to provide your first and last name, your mobile number or email, and create a password. Then tap on continue to proceed. Now do take note that if you want to open an account without using your phone number, all you need to do is to put in your first and last name, and then in the input area where you can put in your mobile number or email, you can go ahead and choose to put in your email address and create a password, and then tap on continue to proceed. Now depending on your region, Amazon might insist that you actually put in your phone number in later stages of the sign up process. However, by following this option of putting just your email address, you will be able to create your account with just your email and not your phone number. If that works for you, then that means that this is possible in your region. If not, it means that Amazon will not allow you in your region to open an account with only your email, in which case they will be asking you for your mobile number later on. So go ahead and try it out by putting your email address in the first place, creating a password along with your first and last name, tap and continue, and try to see if you can use your email as the alternative while opening your Amazon account. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to open an Amazon account without a phone number.